Hello everyone. In this video, you are going to learn how to become a medical writer. Medical writing is the making of scientific documents by specialized writers. Generally, a medical writer closely works with scientists, doctors, and other subject matter experts in order to create effective documentation that deeply defines research results and product usage. So, what are medical writers? Medical writers require an understanding of the medical concepts and expressions, knowledge of suitable guidelines as regard the structure and contents of specific documents, and good writing skills. So, what are the skills required to become a medical writer? The basic requirement for becoming a medical writer is, of course, familiarity with medical concept and terminology. Also, advanced training is one of the life sciences such as medicine or paramedic sciences such as pharmacy, microbiology, nutrition and dietetics, biochemistry and biotechnology will have the right context to familiarize the writer with scientific principles and evidence from study. The next is ability to write. Since a medical writer's basic necessity is to convey science knowledge to the target audience and some degree of command over the language expressed by the ability to write grammatically correct text and present knowledge is most critical. Now, what are the other skills that are important to be a medical writer? So, they are as follows. First and most important is knowledge of scientific and therapeutic area. Since the medical writer publishes information about medical sciences, it is needless to say that he/she knows the medical terms and principles. The other is the drug development process, pharmacology, and drug safety. Medical writers dealing with the preparation of clinical research and regulatory documents such as trial protocols, investigator brochures, clinical trial results of different phases of clinical trials, effectiveness and safety summaries need a detailed understanding of the drug development cycle, clinical research, and various recommendations relating to them. Next is statistics. Medical writers come across statistics when they write about the clinical trials and the research studies they write. Also, any medical writer has to deal with schemes of randomization, confidence interval, p-value, and t-test. Now, they also have the knowledge of all the four phases of clinical trials. Lastly, clinical guidelines knowledge also needed. The European Union, the USA and Japan has developed a set of common guidelines on the drug development and registration, that is International Conference on Harmonization Guidelines, or we can say ICH guidelines. ICH stability guidelines for stability conditions and testing for product quality are followed all around the world. ICH guidelines are divided into four parts, that is Q, that is quality guidelines, S for safety guidelines, E for efficacy guidelines, and M for multidisciplinary guidelines. So this is all about skills that are important to become a medical writer.